Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Checking out a mini electric chainsaw. So these are super handy. They're not super expensive. This features an 8-inch and a 6-inch blade here, brushless motor, faster sawing, auto oiling system. Comes in this sweet little box here, so you're all ready to go. Just opens up here, and here we are. Just opens that up. Right on top we have all this stuff. We have an instruction manual. It comes with two little gloves here. Put those on. Little cleaning thing. Warranty card. Glasses for safety. It comes with extra chains. That's cool. So we have two 8-inch chains here, a 6-inch chain. We got one, let's see, here we have an 8-inch bar. We can just change that out right here. And then we have a 6-inch bar, and that already comes on that. It's got this nice blade guard on there. That's cool. And this full hand guard here as well. It goes all the way around the front here. Let's see, on top of that we have two amp hour batteries as well. Two of those, 21 volts, should have plenty of power, plenty of runtime. And we have our charger right here. Okay, go ahead and throw one of these in here. It has a little battery indicator there. Just press that. It shows it's at full charge here. This simply just slides in here. And it has a safety mechanism as well. Can't just pull the trigger. I think I need to, yeah, you got to push the button first. So that features, either way, the button has to be pushed in order for you to do that. So right or left-handed, because that button's on either side, so that's kind of cool. Go ahead and take this battery off. Just simply press this button and then slide it outwards. This bar, you can just change it out. Just simply unscrew this. This should come off right here. And then it's really simple to just change out that bar. So that's super easy to do. Super convenient that we're able to do that like that too. That just goes on there. We can change out our blade and then just put that back on there. I'm actually gonna just go out and show you guys how this thing works here. We have a couple of branches we can cut off. These are super handy, super portable, and they work really well. Let's go check it out. Hey friends, so use this chainsaw on this branch here. Let's push the whole thing in. And there we have it. Just no problem, really. This thing's pretty burly. Just want to make sure when you do it that the wood is butted up to here. You don't want to cut it right here. It'll kind of bounce, so make sure the wood's right up on there. All right, here we have 4x4 here. And once again, just get our chainsaw going here. Got this little safety button, push that, and then press the thing. And look at that, pretty handy. So pretty much cut right through that. You can just switch out the bar too if you want. That can be done just with a simple turn of this. Take this off. Take their battery out first. but this can just come right off of here. Just like that. And you also going to adjust the tightness of your blade here. Make sure that's all nice. You can just take this bar off and you could put on your longer bar if you wanted. So that'll allow you to cut through pretty much anything that you need, unless you need like a heavy duty chainsaw for. So that's pretty handy that you can just, the ability to just change it out, super simple. Lock it back in place if you want. Comes with different, like you said, the different different chains and things like that, and automatically you can oil it with that, keep your blade lubricated. But super handy, cut through that like butter, and it's a pretty nice cut there, pretty smooth, not really any issues. So yeah, really impressed with this. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.